Hey friends, come and see me at an open house for Mark Bay's Art of the Home. Art of the Home is with Heather Truhan and friends at EXP, and this house is amazing. If you look at the inside, even the outside, he spared no expense to update this home off of Monaco, 2820 Monaco. We will see you between 12 and 2 on Saturday and 1 and 3 on Sunday. Again, the pictures on this house hopefully do it justice. It's just as great in person. He spared no expense updating this house. It literally has been touched in every part of the house, from the floors to the ceilings to the walls. I mean, he really did a great job. I mean, the trims match. It's very thoughtful, very thought out. We are expecting to see a ton of people, hopefully, for the weekend. And yeah, if you have any questions about this property, please contact me, 720-255-1033, or I will see you at the open house on Saturday between 12 and 2. I'm going to let this just run out. There's really nothing to say. This house is beautiful. I appreciate it, and we'll talk to people later.